So before we start the meals, I wanted to let you guys know really quickly the two meal prep containers that you're going to see me using in the video. I'm going to link both of these down below. This one has 3 compartments, and then I also use this one here, which just has 1, and they both come with utensils as well, and they're super cheap. You guys are into meal prep. I will link these in the description box for you. What's up, guys? The first recipe that we're going to make is a vegan chili in a pot. Super easy. You literally just dump all the ingredients in. This right here is what you're going to need. We'll go over everything. So I chose to do 1 can of black beans. You'll see in a second I also did a can of kidney beans and garbanzo beans. And you want to just dump these all into one big pan and put your stove on like medium heat. So yeah, I'm just dumping everything in there. You want to do the beans first. I've already rinsed all the beans before I started this video to make sure everything is clean. And then I was chopping up some zucchini. This is just personally what I like. This was actually too much. I ended up just using 1 big zucchini. And you don't put any water in the pan or anything. We're literally just going to add all the food and mix it up together. So my stove again is just on medium heat. I'm just literally dumping this stuff in. You can also add corn. You could add any type of veggies that you guys like. I just know that I like this little combo since I've made this chili before and my son also really likes it. So I just chopped up the zucchini pretty small there, and I literally made such a mess whenever I was putting it in the pot here, you know, because I'm 5 years old, so whatevs. I actually chopped up a little bit too much, so I set some of it aside for the week, and then I just mix everything up together. Again, I'm just keeping it on a very low heat. This will take about 25 minutes total to cook. So I was just mixing everything up, and then while it's cooking in my meal prep containers, in one of the smaller ones, I'm putting some carrots. So you guys can do whatever you want here. You could do like little pretzels, fruit. These are basically like your 2 little side dishes. So whatever you guys want to put, I'm just trying to keep my prep this week super healthy. So I went with green beans and carrots just again because I personally like those, but I'm also a big fan of fruit. If you want to do like some granola mix, literally whatever you want on the side. That's why I really like these containers because there's so much room to kind of put a bunch of different meal options, which is cool. So I just filled those up. And then I went in with 2 cans of this Hunt's diced tomatoes. So I put those 2 cans in, mixed everything up there. I turned the heat up a little bit, and then I put the lid on. And then before that, I actually did add this black pepper, garlic salt, and regular pink Himalayan salt just for taste. So it took like about 20 minutes total in the stove until it was done. And then this is the consistency that you can see here when everything is all done. The tomato paste really just like simmers and makes it more liquidy, and this chili is so amazing, you guys. This is probably like the 5th time that I've made it. It's so healthy. Like, you're literally just eating super clean when you have this. Of course, it's all vegan. It kind of just looks like mush here in the containers, but it's super tasty. I wasn't a huge fan. I didn't think I'd be a huge fan of this before the first time I made it, but I really love it. And you're totally gonna lose weight and stay fit and everything if you eat this on a consistent basis. It's a super clean meal. And I get really full. Once I have the veggies and that entire meal prep for either lunch or dinner, I'm super full. I'm not craving bad food. I don't have like the urge to go get fast food. So yeah, I just filled all of those up, and then that meal is actually done. So you guys can have that for lunch or for dinner. Give it to your kids, boyfriend, for work, whatever. Super easy. Again, I'm going to link those meal prep containers down below because they're awesome. So for the second one, I'm doing spaghetti. You could also do bow tie pasta or whole wheat pasta, literally whatever you want. Again, I'm just taking this long string spaghetti because my son really likes it as well. It's super long. It didn't fit in that pan, so I just broke it up, and I'm just boiling some water. I'm going to turn my stove on, I believe, to like level 3, and it goes up to level 10, so a pretty low heat. I'm just boiling pasta per usual, nothing too exciting there. Again, like, use whatever you want. You can find that pasta at the dollar store, so it's super cheap. And then I am just popping some frozen broccoli in the microwave because your girl is lazy as F. You can do regular broccoli as well. And then I'm just taking some red pasta sauce. So once that was all boiled, I literally just pop it in the meal prep containers, pop the broccoli and the sauce on top, and I'm done. Like, I'm telling you guys, these 2 meals are so freaking easy. You take like 40 minutes to do this on a Sunday, and you're good to go. Super healthy. Like, you're literally done. You don't have to spend a penny on eating out. This meal is actually super tasty as well. I personally love red sauce, and I really like broccoli, but again, you can do like zucchini noodles or any other type of vegetables that you like on top. You don't have to do this exact combo. I actually had some bow tie pasta, as you can see there, mixed in with the sauce, which was really good as well. So both those meals are just, again, super easy. I got most of the ingredients at the dollar store. Like, you can't get much cheaper than that. So yeah, just topping it off with the broccoli, and I can do another video on breakfast if you guys would like. Please give this video a thumbs up or let me know in the comments if you would like that. But once those two are done, my lunch and dinners are done for literally an entire week, or maybe even a little bit more. So super cheap. I'm going to link all of these meal prep containers down below because they're great.